Today I'm going to be testing these earpods from Treblab. These are the Treblab XFit Earphones, so let's get started. Welcome back to another episode of Dad's Den Tech, where we review items for you, yes, for you. Basically, we take items, we review them, and we determine whether or not the value of that product is worth the price. So anyway, let's get started. As always, in every single review, every item that we are using to do a review, everything from the lights to the cameras to the computers to the microphones to the other headphones that we have, they will be down in the description. If you want to purchase any of these items, including the earbuds, they'll be down in the description, or if you want to learn more about them, just click the links. You can go purchase them or you can learn more about them, okay? So click those links down in the description. Almost forgot, at any time during this video, if you want to purchase these headphones, I'm going to have a discount code down in the description. Click the link. You're going to get 15% off if you buy it on Amazon. I'll also give you free shipping if you buy it from the Treblab website, okay? So anyway, let's continue. Design and features. First things, these things are very, very small. As you can see, I'm taking them out of the box here. That's how big they are. Okay, they're very, very small. I like the look of them. They're black, they're sleek looking. They're not going to be too gaudy and stand out. I don't like the earpods with the little drips coming out and all that stuff. Not a big fan of the earpods, but I like these because they just kind of look just clean and simple, and I like that look. As far as the connectivity goes, really, really simple. It uses the latest 5.0 Bluetooth technology. Bam, connected to your phone. I'm using an iPhone. Super easy to connect. As far as the sound goes, this is what they say. Get a boost from the energy from clear, true HD sound, deep bass from small, ultra modern wireless earbuds to finish that final mile or rep. Experience outstanding audio protected by noise canceling tech and microphone. We'll get into a little bit more about that in the performance section, so stay tuned for that. And by the way, if you would like to see my review of these Treblab Z2 headphones, absolutely incredible. I love these things. You can see up in the card there, you can click that, or you can find it down in the description, okay? But I love these Treblab Z2 headphones. Treblab says this gives you 30 hours of playtime. Now, I have not tested out the hours of playtime on this thing, so I'm not going to be able to tell you whether or not it's going to last that long, but I will tell you these are Treblabs as well. And I can't remember the hours on, I think it's 24 hours or something like that they give you for these. I'm not sure, but I will tell you it's pretty much right on the money what they said with these. So I'm assuming that the earpods are going to last just as long, or what they say they will with the earpods. So there you go. Of course, it comes with your charging cable, it comes with your instruction manual. Also comes with this box that you're going to put your earphones in. This is the charging box. You're going to put your earphones in here, and on the back there's a port. You just plug in the port, and that's how you charge your earphones. And then lastly, they give you 3 different size earphones. So if these ones aren't quite fitting you the right way, 3 different sizes, that's a nice little bonus. Wanted to say one thing about the charging box. It is actually pretty nice. It's solid. It's got almost like a little rubber outside here, so you're not going to scratch up your table or anything like that. And these, when you put the earpods in, it's actually magnetic. You pull this out, and it's actually, you can see that. It kind of just drops right in. Do you guys see that? Watch that. And it just drops right in. Magnetic. It's charging. You know it's set up in the right spot, because when you plug it in, you're going to see the blue lights going across. That means you are charging. Once you're fully charged, it'll have the blue lights all the way across solid, so you're good to go. On to the performance. Basically, what you do is you turn these on just by pushing the Treblab symbol here. You push it on, and if you put it next to your ear, you will hear power on. Both of these are powered on, but I do want to say one thing. If you just want one earpod, you don't have to have both in. You can just pair one and just listen to music or take phone calls with it, however you want. You don't have to put both in, which is really cool. So if you're like driving and you just want to use it for, talking on the phone, hands-free, that's fantastic. That way, because you're only allowed to have one while you're driving, you got to be able to hear the ambulances, police, and fire department, and all that stuff. So anyway, that's a really cool feature. You can just pair one if you want. Let's get to the comfort level. I'm going to put these in my ear. Very comfortable. Actually, the ones that they come with are perfect for my ears. Also, they do have noise canceling technology here. Basically, what this is if you put the right size earpods or earphones in, it's going to basically make a seal, and it's going to help keep that sound out. Okay, all the different sounds that you got going on in your house. Say you're driving, mowing the lawn, whatever else. You want to drown out the kids because they're getting too crazy. I don't know. Hey, this is the coronavirus time. Maybe the kids and the wife and everybody else is just getting too crazy, and you just need some silence. Noise canceling headphones. So I've had these headphones on. I've been playing some music, and I noticed one thing right off the bat. Make sure you put these things in and nice and snug in your ear. You don't have to jam them in there, obviously, but make them nice and snug. That way, it's going to do the noise canceling. Also, you're going to be able to hear the bass. They say they have, hold on here. It says it has true HD sound and deep bass. So, and when I first put the headphones on, I didn't have them in very tight, and I was just like, oh, I don't really feel the bass at all. I don't hear it very much. Then I'm like, hold on, let me get these a little more snug, and I put them in, and all of a sudden I was like, there's the bass. So anyway, make sure when you get these things, keep them in nice and snug, and you will get that bass sound. One thing for me when it comes to earpods, I generally don't like earpods because I don't like them being stuffed inside my ear. They get uncomfortable, and I don't know, I just don't like that feeling. However, with these, I'm able to keep these in my ears a lot longer than a normal earpod. I usually have my iPhone ones, and I just can't keep them in very long. They're not comfortable. I also have another set. It's like a jogging one. It goes around my neck and goes in. Those are okay, but I can't keep them in too long. However, these, I almost like don't even realize that they're there. I've been kind of just on the camera, and I've been messing up, so I had to like re-record things and different stuff like that. So they've been in my ears for a really long time here. Not that I'm saying I mess up all the time, but anyway, they've been in my ears for quite a long time, and I feel still comfortable, you know? I mean, you can see these things are really small. You don't really notice them that much. So that's kind of nice if you want to just, throw some, like a hoodie on when you're running. I mean, nobody's going to even know you got headphones on, but they're comfortable. I'm sitting here. So that's all I can really say is about the comfort level. I generally don't like them, and I can deal with this. So that's saying something. Something else that I really like about these, okay? I'm a simple guy. Give me something simple. Give me an on and off button, okay? That's pretty much what these are. You hit the one, these buttons to turn them on, to turn them off, all right? You get a phone call, boom. You hit the button, you answer the call, or you want to end the phone call, hit the other one. These are simple things. So if you're out on a run, you're working out, somebody calls you, bam, you just hit it and you can answer, you can talk. If I'm listening to music, it's the same thing. I want to skip, you go to the right, you stop, bam. Dude, really, really easy, which I can appreciate because I'm a simple guy. So anyway, I like that feature. Now we get to pricing because, of course, this is one of the most important parts. We want to determine whether or not the price that you're going to pay for these is worth it. So these are on sale on Amazon for $49.97. They're also selling for $49.97 from the Treblab website, okay? So just so you know, at the end of this, like I said earlier, if you buy them on Amazon, I'm going to give you a 15% discount code. If you buy them directly from their website, I'm going to give you free shipping.
Sir, I just want to say thank you.
Check out those codes down in the bottom of the, down in the description. I don't know why I said down at the bottom. Down in the description. Time for some price comparison, all right? I'm looking at different models here. I see some Sony ones for $228. Holy smokes, Batman.
Are you crazy?
Some other ones for $49.95, $64.95, $129.95. And then I'm also looking at the Apple AirPods, $249 Apple AirPods. I'm sorry, I don't like the Apple AirPods. I would any day get these over the Apple AirPods. Any day. So if you're looking to get Apple AirPods or you're like, I'm not sure which ones I want, dude, I'm going to tell you right now, buy these. Forget Apple AirPods, $249. Are you kidding me? Dude, you could buy, how many of these could you buy for $50? I mean, you could buy 4 of these, almost 5 of these sets of these for that. Insane. Apple's just ripping people off. Anyway, as you can see, the price is really, really good. Plus, you're getting a 15% discount. Come on, guys. Come on. Dude, I'm doing you a favor here. And I just gave away my final thoughts. So in my final thoughts, what I normally do is I tell you, do I think this is worth the purchase? Absolutely. It is worth the purchase, guys. As you can see, I still have these in my ear. I've been having them in the ear the entire time, and I totally forgot that I had them here. Very, very comfortable. I really, really like these. I really, really do. I think you will too. So definitely Dad's Den stamp of approval. That's going to wrap up my review of the Treblab XFit earphones or earpods, whatever you like to call them. Don't forget, click the link down in the description. You guys can get yours today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, work smarter, not harder. We'll see you next time. Bye.